In Igboland, there's a snake you're not allowed to unalive. And if you unalive it by mistake, then you will have to perform a proper burial for it, just like a human being. Because that snake belongs to a goddess, and her name is Idemili. Idemili is one of the great river goddesses of our people that is worshipped across Anambra in towns like Anobi, Umuoji, Ogidi, and her name means the pillar of water. The Igbo believe that she holds the rain in the sky and decides when it falls and when it doesn't. Some even call her the daughter of Chukwu himself. And her messenger is the royal python, AK. To her people, the snake is sacred. When a child is born, the python will visit that child and move slowly around the child, just like an elder visiting a newborn baby. But you dare not touch it or chase it away, or even unalive it. But if a man should unalive it, even by mistake, you dare not throw it away. Oh. You have to go and buy a coffin and put it in it and perform a full burial for it, just like the way you're burying a human being. And this is not a folklore. It still happens today in these towns. If a python should crawl into a sitting room, is there no panic? You simply guide it with a stick gently back into the bush. Even Christians that do not worship her anymore dare not unalive her, because that respect still never left. But Idemili was never only about the snake. She's a goddess that loves strong women. If you're a woman and you're building something for yourself, she will uplift you and bless you. She will even give you a respected title among your people. In her, women of the land had real power. But that became a problem. As the society changed, men grew uncomfortable with how much power her women were gaining. So they married off the great goddess to a smaller god as a junior wife, just to put her under a man. But her people still never forgot who she really was. And during the Biafra War, when every other town was falling, Anobi was never taken, because it was believed that she was walking around the town as an old woman, protecting her children, while the war was raging everywhere else. Idemili is not just a river, she's the pillar that holds the rain. The goddess that they tried to shrink, but they couldn't. So next time you hear someone answering Idemili as a name, I hope you now understand what they carry.